My goal is to make you a profitable day trader as quickly and easily as possible so that you don't have to go through the struggles I went through. When I first started day trading, I lost my life savings twice. I turned $4,000 into $72,000 in 3 weeks, and I also turned $40,000 into $4,000 in 19 seconds. So many traders call it a rite of passage and paying your tuition. And that's because new traders aren't given the right structure and learning path to become profitable. But here's the thing, I'm here now, and it's my life mission to make sure that your day trading journey is filled with rainbows and Lambos instead of blown up accounts and margin calls like mine. In this video, I'm going to tell you step by step exactly how to become a profitable day trader as quickly and easily as possible. I purposely made sure that every single second of this video is concise and critical to your success. All right, let's get it. Step number 1, pick a platform that lets you live paper trade, such as Thinkorswim and TradingView. Even if you've already started day trading with real money, switch to a paper trading account, or at bare minimum, risk only $10 a trade. And look, I know you want to start making money immediately, and I know you've probably seen stocks that go up 30% overnight, and you're just thinking about all that money you could have made if only your entire account was invested in that one stock. But here's the thing, even if you are one of the lucky ones who has a handful of winning trades and makes good money right off the bat, you will inevitably lose all of that money and more. Starting off with paper trading and risking very little on each trade will not only help you save your account from losing money, but it will also help you focus on practicing good habits that make the money. Without practicing a proper trading strategy with proper execution and risk management, you won't be consistently profitable. So take the paper trading account seriously and treat it like a real account. Don't go using $100,000 on a trade in a paper account, or you'll just fall straight back into the habit of chasing money and gambling like the 99%. Instead, risk only $10 a trade, even in the paper trading account. And speaking of risk, step number 2. Practice risk management. This is one of the easiest aspects of day trading to learn and also the most important aspect of day trading at any level. Even the richest traders have a set amount of money they risk on each and every trade. And here's how to do it. First, decide on how much you plan on risking for every trade going forward. I recommend using no more than $10 of risk on any trade. And once you've decided the level of risk you like to use, all you'll need to do to master risk management is make sure that on every single trade, you decide where your stop loss will be before entering that trade. Then determine how many shares to buy based on how much you'd like to risk. For example, if you're currently risking $10 on a trade and you buy a stock for $400 with a stop loss set at $390, then you'll buy only one share because you're risking $10 per share. Or if you buy a stock at $400 and you set a stop loss at $398, then you can buy 5 shares since 5 shares times your $2 stop loss equals a $10 risk. And that's it. Risk management really is that easy to master. The hard part is building the habit of setting a stop loss before entering a trade and using the same amount of risk no matter how confident you are in that trade or how badly you want to make back your losses. Remember, the money will flow to you when you have the good habits. Step number 3, learn the basics of technical analysis. And I really do mean basics. If you want to become a profitable day trader as quickly as possible, then don't get sucked into trying to find the holy grail of trading strategies. It doesn't exist.
Diana, let it go.
Because the stock market is primarily random. What I'm saying is, technical analysis is only one small piece of the puzzle that gives a day trader a slight edge in the market. And by edge, I mean to say that technical analysis increases your accuracy, but by no means is it the end-all be-all holy grail of trading. And trust me, this is coming from me, a day trader who exclusively uses technical analysis as his strategy. So instead, Put up your blinders because the internet will have you thinking that you need 100 million complicated technical strategies and using a million indicators from crazy trading gurus on YouTube so that you can predict the future and know every little movement of the stock market. So instead, stick to studying the basics of technical analysis, such as market structure and support and resistance, and how to identify an overall trend. Avoiding this massive trading guru trap will have you making money as a profitable day trader so much sooner. And if you want to hear more about my simple technical analysis strategies, my live trading thought process, or if you want to hear more about me just ranting in detail about why you need to stick to the basics of technical analysis, then go ahead and check out my other videos on technical analysis and indicators. Step number 4, pick only one simple technical strategy to master. This could be buying on breakouts, buying on the support of a pullback in a trend, or even something as simple as buying when two trend lines cross. The key to this step is learning how to master a strategy. Mastering one simple strategy will save you years of jumping from strategy to strategy because they don't work, when really a technical strategy is only as good as the trader who uses it. And the fastest way to start making money is mastering one strategy. Having only one specific strategy will help you execute a strategy the exact same way every single time, just like the professionals. And by executing a trade the same way every time, you'll be able to identify what criteria increases the accuracy of that strategy, such as the type of stock you're trading and the time of day, or the level of current volatility. Executing the same strategy the same way can also help you identify human error, such as closing a trade early or entering bad trades. The point is that trading one specific strategy will help you better understand that day trading isn't about perfecting a strategy that works every time in every scenario. Day trading is actually about creating a profitable edge that is accurate enough of the time to be profitable, and then mastering executing that edge. Step number 5, start tracking your trades. Now I know you've probably heard it before and you're thinking, no, I don't want to track my trades. That's so boring. I'll just naturally learn what works and what doesn't work over time. Well, guess what? I thought the same thing. I always thought that I just naturally learn what works and what doesn't work. But sadly, that's not how it works. There are so many variables in day trading, and the only way to identify what's working and what's not working is by tracking your trades and journaling so that you can start to improve on your process. That's why I purposely took the time to share my trade tracker with you for free. If you want, you can download it under my free trading guides from my channel or from my Instagram bio, or you can use your own. Either way, just make sure you're tracking your trades. Track your trades when you're winning, track your trades when you're losing, do it immediately after a trade. And if you're taking too many trades to track, then you're over trading and you really need to start tracking your trades. Remember, the fastest way to make money day trading is practicing good habits. Step number 6. When you're ready to take your trading to the next level with more advanced steps, I highly recommend learning how to scale into trades. The 99% love to add into losing trades, and they love saying buy low, sell high. But professional day traders who are in the 1% do the complete opposite. The 1% traders buy high and they sell higher. And being able to add into these winning trades takes practice, and that's where scaling into winning trades comes into play. So if you want to learn more about scaling in, I make pretty top-notch videos on scaling in that really simplify the whole process. So go ahead and check those out if you're interested. Step number 7. Here's one final step for any of you day traders who are really serious about becoming profitable as quickly, easily, and cheaply as possible. Get a mentor. This is without a doubt my biggest regret in my entire day trading journey. If I made the change, I honestly could have saved myself about $45,000 of bad trades and 2 years of stress spent reading books, listening to podcasts, and watching YouTube videos religiously. That's why if I could change one thing, I would have taken day trading seriously by getting a good trading mentor. Think about it. Why do day traders take years to become profitable when there's an unlimited amount of content on the internet for free? It's because new traders designing their own learning path is like a 6-year-old trying to develop their own curriculum to learn calculus.
I'm sorry, my mentor. I have failed you.
New traders jump around watching all sorts of different content randomly without getting any direct answers to all of their many questions. And not only that, but a lot of the content is vague and contradicting, which raises even more questions than they answer. That's why my biggest regret in my entire trading journey is that I didn't get a trading mentor. So here's how to become a profitable day trader as quickly and easily as possible. Step number 1, pick a platform that lets you live paper trade, such as Thinkorswim and TradingView. It sounds counterintuitive, but you're going to make so much money so much faster by practicing good habits with a paper trading account. Step number 2, practice risk management. This is hands down the most important aspect of day trading, no matter how experienced the trader. And luckily, it's one of the easiest to learn. Step number 3, learn the basics of technical analysis. You could spend decades learning about technicals, but really all you need is the basics. Step number 4, pick one simple technical strategy to master. A trading strategy has to be simple so that it's repeatable and easy to execute. The key to being a profitable day trader isn't about finding the perfect strategy, it's about mastering how to use a strategy. Step number 5, start tracking your trades. There are too many variables that affect a trader's performance for anyone to keep track of in their head. Every professional trader tracks their trades, so if you want to become a professional trader, write it down. Step number 6, practice scaling into your trades. Break out of the habit of the 99% who add into losing trades and flip the switch to become part of the 1% who add into winning trades. Step number 7, get a mentor. Free content doesn't cut it. We all need a personalized learning path and someone to have discussions with to answer our questions and help us identify our learning priorities so we can progress as quickly as possible. My goal is to make sure you become a profitable day trader as quickly and as easily as possible. And now that you've watched this video, you have everything you need. Plus, I'm here now and it's my life mission to make sure that you become profitable the right way. I've personally made free trading guides for all of you with a link in my channel, and I personally respond to every comment. And if you want to see even more of my content so I can help you become profitable as quickly as possible, feel free to subscribe to my channel where I upload a new video every week and shorts every day. Or check out my Instagram where you can message me directly and see even more personal content. So until next time, take it easy and happy trading.